So current news, we lost, right? We lost in the jungle.
I think it looks like a train that people have gone by. Bro, we can go
down,
directly go to the city
first.
and then go and then come back if you want to go to the castle.
No, it's come here.
I know, dude. Like at the end,
Yeah.
then you go and then you
You
have to
can come back inside. Yeah.
Okay.
That will be the near part.
Okay, then we will go there. Why risk it?
So we have a
can
plan,
chill
right?
sometime
Yeah,
here.
we have a plan. So let's go. Let's go down. Okay, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's go.
ये wrong turn हो गया है क्या?
No. You should have. I always wanted to cook something and eat outdoor, bro. You should have cooked, no? Burger or something.
You want to eat something, huh?
Yeah.
We do have some.
No, but yeah, I want to cook something here outside.
Okay, then you have to bring barbecue and everything.
Arrange
We'll decide at 3 o'clock. So don't worry.
321 something will be released.
With cinnamon bun miniature.
Yeah, it's the same.
It's cinnamon bun, huh?
His favorite.
Who's favorite?
The day he came, he wants to eat the cinnamon bun, bro.
Hmm.
Cinnamon bun, roll, something.
It's nice, no?
Right, yeah.
Have it.
We can have one more.
It's nice, bro.
Yeah, it's good.
Which one? F1.
F1, did you saw it? I want to see actually. I'm planning to see
Where
from
you saw?
cinema, but it's not
I
there.
saw in my TV only.
No, but it's released in OTT, yeah?
That came long back only.
It's long.
Oh, which OTT?
Which OTT it is?
I don't know what it is. I have only one page where I will download all the movies.
I think you downloaded it.
Telegram.
Coolie is on Prime Video. Yesterday I saw.
No need to watch it. You can skip it. No, they made it very good. Not the story, but video.
Cinematic.
I think they.
I heard that Sony and some companies have done specific cameras designed. Apple have a specific camera they have designed for that.
That's what. I think they kept 2-3 cameras in that car.
That's what the fin is supposed to be, no?
They were
If that is
exactly
look like
showing that high speed
Yeah.
outside of your car.
Hope
Come,
it
we'll go.
will come again in the cinema. It's real worth watching. We are running out of time.
But these furniture won't get spoiled, huh? Keeping outside.
I spent my years chasing shadows on the wall, running after echoes that would fade before the call.
From that
Built 1,000 castles from the worries in my mind, but every road I wandered left the truth behind. And I heard a whisper in the silence of the night, not a voice from somewhere else, but one that felt like light. There is a quiet within, beneath the storm and rain, a place no fear can enter, no sorrow can remain. When the world keeps turning faster than my heart can understand, I find my peace in letting go, not holding on again. There is a quiet within.